6. We got 3 hours of sleep today. Woohoo! Feeling good, and we're gonna run good today too. Hopefully. We got all of our NFL bets out of the way. We're going for the Colts today. Cheer for the Colts. They must win and cover. Or else we're gonna be standing by the freeway ramp holding up a sign. As you can tell, I've had a little bit of sugar this morning with my coffee and nothing else. So hopefully we get there in time. Registration will still be open and we can hopefully take first place in this week's tournament. Yeah, first place sounds good. Sitting here with everyone's favorite, Clark the Mule, who said he was full but then went and got another plate. My tournament starts at 11:20. So I gotta get up out of here. So Clark, you're gonna take care of the tip. I gotta go, okay? Oh, revenge is sweet. I'll see you later, buddy.
You have to take care of the tip.
See you later, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta take care of the tip.
Make sure you tip her well too, okay? All right, Clarky boy didn't show up to record. Ah, we got first.
All right, Linda got first place, Wynn got second, and Anna got third. That's our first, second, and third place winners.
Wow, some really shitty scores. I got the Bernies twice, but that was it, nothing else. I picked pretty damn good too. This wasn't our day.
Stick around.
Dancing drums, there's no coins in this bowl. Zero. That's it. I've never seen that before. Alright, we hit the bonus again at 10-cent denomination. It cost us a pretty penny to get here. Mr. Clark came and sat right next to us and immediately hit 3 games. The luck box that he is.
That's what I sat down. That's why you hit it.
Oh, it's because you hit it? Yeah, alright. He takes all the credit and never any of the blame. How does that work?
That's the way it is.
That's the way it is? bad. Died out. Not what I was looking for. Dragon Link, Panda Magic, we just hit the free games. There we go.
I know, this Saturday. She doesn't know why she's finished because I'm here.
It's all because of you, huh?
Yeah, I just come here, everybody
Rub your shoulder for good luck. There we go.
So,
Alright, just 3 more and we're happy.
Come on.
Alright. What is that, about 120? Yeah. Alright, we'll show you the next bonus. Yeah. We put 100 in the machine, we didn't get shit. We put another 100 in and we're down to like 30 bucks. No, I'm good, thank you. And we were down to 30 bucks. We hit one of the 6 ball features. We got back like 80. And then we hit the bonus, which you just saw, and it's their second bonus. Yeah. 3 games, I should say. Yeah. Alright, that's nice. That should be good. Woo! That was a nice hit. Alright, last game. Come on, one more. I hate that. I hate when you get 5 up front and then they don't give you no more.
And then all wild, and you don't get anything.
Yeah, that is evil.
$50 bet. $50.
Is that how much you bet?
He was sitting next to me. I just don't know him from here.
Yeah.
But he bets like me. One day I won so much I got wild. $50, got the bonus. I got 3 coins.
And then all bonuses. Oh, wild, huh? Nothing. That's evil. Put $100 in. Our first bonus at Wheel of Fortune. We haven't played this game in a while, so I figured I'd give it a chance today. It's lady just hit $50,000 jackpot on Lightning Link. Got all of it. I'm here with my host that I can't get on camera. Right? Hold on. There, that's about as much as I can get. There you go. Alright. She told me 5 last time. What? See you later. Alright, she's leaving. Yeah. High limit room playing dancing drums. We just hit the bonus. Hopefully it's good. That bowl is full. Close that bowl, please. Yeah, 128. Alright, got that bowl closed. Let's see what happens. now is the mini. 188, not bad. We only put $100 in this machine. So we got our money back plus 188. The bowl closed again. Please let it be the major or the grand one time. Hey, we got the minor. 333. That was unexpected. I was thinking it's gonna be another mini party. Every time it's been the mini so far. All right, boys and girls, it is 10:04 p.m. We are headed home, and just want to give you a quick recap of the day. We ended up winning big on the Indianapolis Colts today on our football bets. Jacksonville Jaguars kind of took some of it back, but we were still up $800 for the day on football bets. Now, San Manuel, here's another story. We were in about 600 or so altogether until you saw that last bonus that we hit, or actually the bowl that we hit on the high limit dancing drums was for like 370 or 380, whatever it was. Anyways, at the end of the day, we won a total of 800 on football. We lost about $500 altogether here at San Manuel. So we're up 300 for the day, which is not bad. I'll take that. We finished 5th in the tournament after I left Clark at the buffet with no tip. So he was forced to tip today. He was pretty pissed. He didn't come record my session. So I finished 5th, and he played long before I even got there. He said he finished 7th or 8th, so I don't know, but I'll take his word for it. So anyway, that's the end of our day. We got some food. We're taking it home. I hope you guys enjoy this episode, and I'll probably come back Tuesday. If not Tuesday, I'll be here Thursday, and I got a little surprise. We got a little special thing that I might arrive in, so keep a lookout for that. You guys might enjoy it. So we'll see you next week. All right, take care.